welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start with FMG Quick Revision 2019 December. In this video I will be cover most of topic from psychiatry and ophthalmology. So let's get started. First one is delusion is. Option number A, disorder of thinking. Option number B, disorder of memory. Option number C, disorder of perception. Option number D, disorder of affect. So here correct answer is A. Delusion is disorder of thinking. Next one, 25-year-old male had RTA. After that he is fearful of driving vehicles and going to that place since 6 weeks, and he is having flashbacks of incidents, and he is not going for his office also. What is the diagnosis? Option number A, post-traumatic stress disorder. Option number B, acute stress. Option number C, depression. Option number D, acute panic disorder. Correct answer is A, post-traumatic stress disorder. Next one, 20-year-old female is scared of elevator since birth. She prefers stairs instead elevator. Diagnosis. Option number A, agoraphobia. Option number B, specific phobia. Option number C, social phobia. Option number D, acrophobia. So correct answer is A, agoraphobia. Next one, a female was brought to psychiatry after 5 weeks of delivery. She appeared to fearfulness, irritability and getting suicidal thought. Diagnosis is option number A, postpartum blues. Option number B, postpartum depression. Option number C, postpartum psychosis. Option number D, schizophrenia. So correct answer here B, postpartum depression. Next one, a person is unable to find pleasure in doing old activities which he used to enjoy earlier. Mostly he is suffering from option number A, alexithymia. Option number B, depression. Option number C, anhedonia. Option number D, derailment. Correct answer here C, anhedonia. Next one, a clinician asked the patient, how is your mood? Patient reply, up and down. What could be the diagnosis? Option number A, neologism. Option number B, tangentiality. Option number C, cleansing. Option number D, derailment. Correct answer here B, tangentiality. Next one, keratometer is used to assess. Option number A, curvature of cornea. Option number B, diameter of cornea. Option number C, thickness of cornea. Option number D, curvature of lens. So correct answer here A, curvature of cornea. Next one, internal hordeolum is due to inflammation of. Option A, Zeiss gland. Option number B, Meibomian gland. Option number C, Moll gland. Option number D, lacrimal gland. So correct answer is the B, Meibomian gland. Next one, identify the cases. So in this structure you can see, so first of all we will see the option anterior uveitis, V glaucoma. Option number C, optic neuritis. Option number D, keratoconus. So in this structure you can see this is the irregular form of the pupil, and inside one structure you can see the vessels, red vessels, and down one you will see the hypopyon. Hypopyon means the collection of the water or collection of the pus in the eye. So this is all are the features of the anterior uveitis. So correct answer is the anterior uveitis. Next one, Fleischer rings is seen in. Option number A, keratoconus. Option number B, keratomalacia. Option number C, keratoglobus. Option number D, trachoma. So Fleischer ring is a form only the iron ring, so it present in the keratoconus. But if it is a ceruloplasmin ring or copper, then if it is a copper ring, then it will be present in the Wilson disease. So Fleischer rings is present in the keratoconus. Next one is identify the clinical condition. Option number A, herpes simplex keratitis. Option number B, bacterial keratitis. Option number C, mycocolic keratitis. Option number D, vernal keratoconjunctivitis. So in this structure you can see this is the tree bunch like formation. So correct answer is herpes simplex keratitis. Next one is the filenticular conjunctivitis seen due to the A, post fungal infection, B, allergic, C, post protozoal, D, post tuberculoid. So correct answer here the allergic, because due to the antigen antibody reaction, filenticular conjunctivitis happens. So correct answer is B. Next one, in myopia, image is formed at option number A anterior to retina, option number B posterior to retina, option number C on retina, D none. Correct answer is A. Myopic image is formed anterior to the retina. Next one, chronic glomerulomatous inflammation in upper lid, painless swelling. Option number A internal hordeolum, option number B external hordeolum, option number C calagion, option number D trachoma. So correct answer is C, calagion. Next one, 20-year-old male complaint to repeatedly changes in glasses may result into option number A keratoconus, option number B pathological myopia, option number C glaucoma, option number D cataract. So correct answer here A, keratoconus. Next one, find out the clinical condition as shown in the photos. Option number A keratoconus, option number B limbus, option number C keratomalacia, D none. So in this structure you can see the conical form of the pupil, and so is just conical form of the cornea. So you can see here correct answer is the A, keratoconus. Next one is the visual loss due to cerebral degeneration is related to which artery? Option number A posterior cerebral artery, option number B middle cerebral artery, option number C internal carotid artery, option number D inferior cerebral artery. So here correct answer is A, posterior cerebral artery. Next one is the appropriate treatment for the mild congenital ptosis. Option number A LPS resection, option B antibiotics and hot compression, option number C tarsal fracture, option number D base resection of the conjunctiva. So here correct answer is A, LPS resection means levator palpable superior muscles resection. Correct answer is A. Next one, a man with convergent squint in one eye vision is 6/60 and another eye no squint with 6/60. Next step, option number A MRI, option number B squint surgery, option number C botulinum toxin, option number D glasses. So correct answer B, squint surgery. Next one, advantage of contact lens over normal glasses. Option number A prismatic effect will less, prevention from UV rays, decrease inflammation or decrease infection. Correct answer is A, prismatic effect will less. Next one, Vision 2020 which disease has added recently for India? Option number A cataract, option number B childhood blindness, option number C glaucoma, option number D refractive error and low vision. Correct answer is C, glaucoma. Next one, diabetic patient sudden loss of vision 6/60, fundus picture is given here. What is the diagnosis? Option number A CRVO, option number B CRAO, and option number C hemorrhage, and option number D hypertensive retinopathy. So in this structure you can see this is the mainly the here you can see the tomato ketchup like structure. So the correct answer is A, CRBO. So is due to the vein occlusion.